How can I correct it if the system misidentifies speakers during translation? This tutorial will teach you how to quickly solve this problem. We'll use translation as an example. For instance, this video features Sam Altman and Elon Musk. It's recommended to select the number of speakers. In this video, we choose 2 speakers. After clicking Continue to enter the translation page, it's recommended to rename each speaker's tag first to facilitate later operations. Click the tag here. At this step, we can preview the speaker's voice first.
Una de las preguntas.
Nada, debo decir.
Alright, you can clearly hear that the voice from speaker 1 belongs to Sam Altman, so we will go ahead and name this tag accordingly. Altman. Click Apply. We can also proceed to rename the Speak To tag, changing its name to Musk. Click Apply. Great, you've successfully named the 2 speakers. You can check on the timeline. If you find a sentence where the system recognized it incorrectly, we'll use this sentence as an example. Suppose you find this sentence should be said by Musk, but the system mistakenly recognized it. You just need to click the incorrect tag and replace it with the correct speaker. You can click the preview button.
Bueno, creo que.
Listen to this voice. If there is no problem with this voice, you can click Confirm and correct other incorrect tags. Once all the speaker tags are corrected, click Read Up for dubbing.